chose you out of the world. Therefore, the world hates you. The world hates the church because of their belief in doctrine. They do not believe. And they hate the church because the Bible condemns their lifestyle. Jesus said, beware when all men speak well of you. When a Christian dies, the greatest insult you can give him at his funeral is to say, this man never had an enemy in his life. Everybody loved him. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bible is a living word. The Bible is alive. How about you? Does your presence in any crowd put a crimp in the proceedings? Could it be said that no one ever suspects anything as far as you being a Christian is concerned? Jesus always disturbs. Can you imagine his coming back in the world today for a short visit in the flesh? Would his presence disturb people in a congregation when they don't have the Lord's Supper every Lord's Day? Would his attendance cause some embarrassment about the offering? No doubt if he were present, the offering plate would be piled higher than ever before. His presence would no doubt disturb just as much now as then. The Bible is a living word. The Bible is alive. Then there is that statement when Jesus said that his time was not yet come. And then told the brothers their time was always ready. Again, the living word speaks to us. And then he told them their time was ready. And so is ours. We all have the same amount of time. 168 hours a week. And that time is always ready. So what will you do with it? It is said the question that is asked more often each day than anything else is, what time is it? The answer is given in Hosea 10. It is time to seek the Lord. Some may say life today is so busy, there's no time for this church stuff. Jesus said you do have time. Your time is always ready. I have a small plaque on the wall of my office. It's been there for many years, and it reminds me in these words, only one life will soon be passed. Only what's done for Christ will last. Someone has written these lines also. The clock of life is wound but once, and no man has the power to tell just when the hands will stop at late or early hour. Today is all the time you own. So love, live, work with a will. Put no trust in tomorrow, for the hands may then be still. Your time is always ready, and it's later than you think. The Bible is a living word. The Bible is alive. Then when he arrived at the feast in his own time, Jesus was on the mind of